Flame, the baby dragon, couldn't resist his curiosity when the skies darkened and the first drops of rain began to fall. Enthralled by tales from his elders about the magical rain, he eagerly ventured outside his cave. Feeling the cool droplets on his scales for the very first time, Flame twirled and danced in pure delight. As he breathed fire, the rain transformed his flames into a mesmerizing misty veil surrounding him. This enchanting moment revealed to Flame that rain was more than just weather, it was a magical experience that breathed new life into the world.